Hey folks, check this out. Beautiful. Isn't that lovely? That's a jolly jumper. Now jolly jumpers are a small member of the pansy or viola family. And the thing is about jolly jumpers, you can have those all through your yard because they'll bloom really early in the spring and they just come up everywhere. They come up like hairs on a cat's back. They're wonderful in the northeastern, northwestern, down in the south, all over North America, and pretty much around the world. Like I say, they are a pansy. I've got a little one. Look at this, just down here, just grew up in amongst the grass. Absolutely pretty little thing. Isn't that lovely? And because they grow so short, you can have them pretty much anywhere in your yard. And like I say, they're a family member of the bigger, more regal pansies that we know. Enjoy pansies and violas and jolly jumpers here in Nova Scotia in the spring.